The way you present yourself to the people around you says a lot about your character and personality as an individual. This is the first question you'll face in any kinds of interview. It is imperative that you will face this question in your job interview. So you know how important for you is to give a cogent, concise, and clear short description about yourself to the job interviewer that gives an everlasting impression right away to the person in front of you. That's why you must know how to introduce yourself to others. The fact is that you can always come up with a better description of yourself every time you introduce yourself to others. So what's the correct and precise way to describe yourself? You must say these following things to the person asking about you. This is applicable anywhere in general, whether you were giving a job interview, talking to a random stranger, a colleague, or anybody at your workplace. Number 1. Say your name. A formal way of saying your name to others is shown here. For example, if your name is John Brown, then you say, "Hello, I'm John Brown. Hi, this is John Brown." And if you're a girl named Emily Ray, then you say, "Hello, my name is Emily Ray." You should never introduce your name to a person you just met or a random stranger as shown in this slide. This is informal way and applicable only when you are talking to your friends. You should not say, "Hey guys, I'm John Brown. Hey, I'm John Brown." No way, you should not say. And if you are addressing a group of people, then you say, "Hi everyone, I'm John Brown." Now, the second one, how you say about your job or profession. Let's discuss them with examples. You say, "I work as an engineer at XYZ company. I'm a professor at XYZ elementary school. I run a grocery store. I currently work in a bakery store. I'm currently pursuing my MBA degree from ABC University. I'm the owner of XYZ restaurant." And lastly, you say where you're from, that is your place of residence. One point to be noted here, you should only say this to your colleague, boss, or to your interviewer, but not to any random stranger. You got my point. Now let's see the examples. If you're from inner city, you say, "I'm from the inner city. I'm from the suburbs. I'm from the XYZ province, state, town, city." Finally, let's summarize together all the points and let's see how a short and precise introduction looks like. You say, "Hello, I'm John Brown and I'm a professor at XYZ Elementary School. I'm from the inner city. Pleased to meet you." So that's the way you introduce yourself to others. So if you like the content of my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Cheers.